Hey, what's up folks? This is Quace Fulton at the Stretch Spot, and today in this video we're going to talk about a beginner's guide to hip stretches. We're going to show you a few stretches that you can do to loosen up those hips. So hang out. Now this stretch here is actually something that'll warm your hip flexors up and your hip socket. Just do sets of 10, one set, both sides, and do it nice and controlled. Here I used to do this in basketball, but it's a good one to warm up your range of motion with your hip flexors and your hamstrings. Do both sides, set to 10. Also, you can do this one here, which works on your IT band, and it's also a good warm up to get those hips loosened for whatever you're going to do. Make sure here it's a hip flexor stretch, but keep your knee inside your shoulders. Now, you can do this, make sure you have a mat. This opens up your psoas muscle, and what you want to do is make sure that your toe is not under your knee, and you can do different angles. And that slight movement she's doing, just make sure you do 10. You don't have to hold the stretch very long. It's just seeing where your tight spots are and working them out. Now this is a squat stretch where you waddle at the bottom, which will really open up a muscle called your pectineus, your lower back. It's good for you. Do sets of 10. Here you open your legs up and you do this twist, which will help you get your range of motion down. You can do it with your legs open or closed, or you can open your leg and do one side at a time, reps of 10, and it's really just to get that range of motion going. You may feel some pulls or snaps if you hadn't done this, but just work through it nice and easy, and over time you'll feel better. This stretch will work on your piriformis muscle, which is code name for your butt muscle, and make sure you tap the floor with it, bring it up. It'll feel a little tight, and then just do both sides and you'll be all right. This stretch here, you cross your legs, and this will really get your IT band and your gluteus maximus, or your piriformis muscle, and do both sides. And then you can open your legs up and touch your knees to the floor, and you should feel that as well. Well, thanks for tuning in. I hope those hip stretches can actually help you loosen those hips up so you can have less back pain, less pain in general. And do us a favor, if you want to come in and see us at Stretch Spot, go ahead and click the link down below. Or if you don't live in our area, then you can go ahead, click the link down below. We'll give you a free PDF on everyday stretches that you can do that will loosen your hips up. All right, take it easy and see you in the next video.